and thanks for watching. My name is Meg, if you're new here, if not, welcome back. So in today's video, I just wanted to share with you 5 kind of simple general ways that you can care for your hair. Now, I did do a previous video, which I'll pop a link up to above, on how I care for my dry curly hair in particular, although all of those things apply to any sort of hair type. Today's video is more about healthy habits and just general ways that you can naturally care for your hair. I hope you find this helpful, so let's get straight into it. Got a sip of tea. Okay, so number 1 is a cleaner diet. Now, eating wholesome food is the best way to care for ourselves, and health actually begins with what we put in our bodies. So in the same vein, this also helps to keep our hair healthy. What we eat and drink reflects outwards, so kind of a tip I would say is to try and aim for the colours of the rainbow every day. So a mixture of fruits and vegetables, and in particular dark leafy greens. So number 2 is to drink more water. Now, similarly to the previous point, what we put in our bodies reflects on the outside. So generally, keeping our water intake up on a daily basis is important anyway for lots of different reasons. But for this particular video, it's also really good for our hair. Hydrated hair grows faster and is just generally much stronger. Number 3 is to brush your hair gently and to start at the ends. Now, when we start at the top of the head and we yank the hairbrush all the way down the hair strand right through to the bottom, it increases hair loss. If we start gently at the bottom and work our way upwards, we are detangling as we go rather than just pushing one great big tangle right down the whole length of the hair, which obviously causes more breakage, causes more hair loss. So yes, number 3 is generally to just be more gentle with your hair and start at the bottoms, work your way up, and this is a really good way to look after the condition of your hair. Number 4 is to avoid heat. Now, this includes not only styling tools, but also hot water. In a previous video, in my previous hair care video, I mentioned about doing a final cold water rinse, so I'll pop a link up above to that one, so go check that one out as well. But basically, I used to straighten my hair every single day. I'll see if I can find an ancient photo of that, and it was also bleach blonde, so yeah, really in quite bad condition. Heat tools, for obvious reasons, are really damaging for our hair, and what I did was basically, over the course of the past few years, I just learnt to appreciate my natural hair pattern and just give it a break from heat. And like I said, a final cold water rinse is also another really good way to seal the cuticle and just give your hair a chance to repair and keep it looking healthy. And finally, number 5 is to avoid artificial hair products. Now, lots of, for example, mousses, gels, hairsprays in particular, they all contain toxic, harmful, artificial chemicals and ingredients that just are really damaging for the hair. They dry the hair out and they're just generally not good. If you look at the ingredients list on one of these products and you can't pronounce the ingredients, then that's generally a good sign that it's not good for your hair. So my tip for you would be to try and stick to more natural oils, for example, or products that have less harsh chemicals in them, that are more naturally derived, and this is a really good way to just generally kind of restore your hair condition, or just keep it in tip-top condition, as I like to say. So try to go with more natural styling products, or just general hair products, or try natural alternatives, or just cut them out altogether like I did. So there were my 5 top easy ways to care for your hair that actually don't involve doing anything extra. They just mean working with what we've already got and in sync with our bodies, and just generally maintaining a healthy lifestyle. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, I'm really grateful if you subscribe as well to my channel. It really helps me to grow. Take care and stay safe. See you next time.